What is the first type of YouTube ad campaign that you should start off with if you've never ran a YouTube ad? This video is going to be the first video in a 6-part video series where I'm going to be breaking down the 6 different type of YouTube ads that any business owner should be running to generate leads or opportunities in their business. The first video campaign that you should be running on your YouTube ads is a keyword campaign. This is the easiest type of campaign that you can run targeting specific keywords on videos or search intent, and Google will show your ad to that audience. Now, some of you might be watching this video and you might be thinking, Nick, shouldn't I run a retargeting ad first? And in theory, that would be great because retargeting would be the lowest hanging fruit. However, in order to retarget properly on YouTube, you have to have at least 1,000 people in your audience. And most business owners that I talk to have never run a YouTube ad. They don't have their Google Ads account set up, and therefore they've never set up an audience to collect 1,000 people or more. And so they have to wait weeks or months in order to get that much traffic onto their global site tag or their audience list. That's why I like doing keyword campaigns first for new YouTube advertisers. You can target specific keywords for specific businesses. As an example, did you know that according to keywordtool.io that the term personal injury lawyer is searched for over 58,000 times on YouTube? So using that as a specific keyword for your campaign can get you in front of people who are actually watching content or searching for that on the platform. When I'm running keyword campaigns, I like to have my keyword lists no more than 5 to 7 keywords at a time. In fact, if I have more keywords than that, then I'll run multiple campaigns with those different keywords. So I'll have personal injury lawyer, personal injury, injury attorney, and I'll have 3 to 5 very specific keywords that are related to one another in that campaign audience. Then I might run a different campaign that relies on different keywords that are maybe a little bit more outside of that very specific, but a little bit more broad. Maybe it's lawsuit or injury lawsuit or things that are a little bit more broad than the specific keywords. And what I'll do is I'll let those campaigns run. In fact, I'll let them compete with one another to see which keywords are going to outperform the others. And then once I have a good winning set of keywords, maybe out of 3 to 5 campaigns that have 3 to 5 keywords each, then I'll make one final campaign with the winning keywords. It's sort of like Hunger Games for your keyword searches. You're taking the best of the best and you're making them compete with one another to see who wins. The other reason why I really like keyword campaigns is because they're very scalable, meaning you can let them run for a long time and you'll very rarely, if ever, exhaust the audience, meaning new people aren't seeing the ad. This is something that you can have happen with a keyword campaign that is really great. You can just let it run consistently over time. Keyword campaigns are an easy way to get in front of people based on what they're searching for, based on what they're watching in real time. And so if you're looking to start a YouTube campaign and you don't know where to begin, then I strongly suggest just running keywords. Don't put anything else in your targeting other than your specific demographics, but just run those keywords. The big mistake I see people making is they'll have a keyword campaign with 20 or 30 or 50 keywords in their audience, and based on their budget, the Google's not going to spend their money and properly spread it across all of it. Think about it like a little piece of jam or butter on a knife, and you've got this big loaf of bread that you've got to spread that across. That's what Google's trying to do with your budget. So that's why I like having my keyword list relatively short, 3 to 5 keywords, and then start a new campaign with a new budget and run different keywords if I really want to see what other ones are looking like or how they're going to test. So I hope you found this video useful. Remember, this is a 6-part video series. Tomorrow's video, we're going to talk about a different type of targeting that you can use that I really like, that's a little bit more broad and allows you to go more to the masses. But if you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel, like this video, comment below, let us know what you think, let us know how you plan on using keywords in your next YouTube ad.